distinguished guests, India is known for its robust, independent judiciary. And a person who is finally fundamental to justice delivery is amongst us. Please welcome with thunderclaps the Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Sikkim, Mr. Justice Biswanath Somodar sir. Lordship, welcome to Parliament. Today, everyone who is present in this hall is blessed that such a great personality, such a great human being, the key stakeholder of the third pillar of democracy is amongst us. So, I'll request again for a big round of applause for Honorable Chief Justice sir. Thank you. Lordship, we are very lucky you are here, and we are very lucky that you will spend 60 minutes of your precious time today. And in front of you, let me assure my students, the parents, the whole team of Medhavi that the dream with which you have come here, and the parents, you have handed over your precious property of your whole life to Medhavi, and we will fulfill all ambitions, all dreams of your asset. That's my promise, that's the promise of the whole Medhavi team, that we will drain out our whole energy to make your dream come true. So in front of such a great personality, I have no words. Just I want to convey my gratitude to the other senior officers of High Court of Sikkim and my whole Medhavi team who put up their best to make this event successful. Students, you already gone through the website of Medhavi, you have interacted with our faculties, our counselors, you got to know a little bit about Medhavi Skills University. Believe me, it's not a university which you have heard about from your childhood, that just to join the classes, sometimes you are bunking the classes also, and you are getting the certificate. That's a piece of paper, degree certificate. Medhavi is not like that. We'll build your future. In these 3 years, the whole Medhavi team will make you great fighters to fight any eventuality, any difficulty in your life. And believe me, you will enjoy these 3 years in Medhavi. Along with your classroom theory classes, you will be exposed to different on-the-job training, different musical activities, music club, sports club we have. Participate in the sports, develop your skills. As was already told by our distinguished guest, DM Gangtok and Honorable Chancellor, just follow. Develop your qualities in the 3 years, and we will make you develop the qualities. And Lordship, I want to promise you that when they'll complete their 3 years, they'll not have to sit for a job. They'll not have to apply for a job. In these 3 years only, they'll be that much capable, they'll be that much trained, that after getting the degree certificate, then directly either they will be a successful entrepreneur in next few years, or they will start their career in some good industry, in corporates. So that is my promise. Let me share my experiences little bit about Honorable Chief Justice, sir. Sir, we are very thankful to you. Last year, in the flash flood in Sikkim, we got the opportunity that you visited our relief camp. One relief camp was set up in our Singtam campus. I think maximum people here know about that. Lordship visited the relief camp and he interacted with everyone, all the people who were suffering from that Singtam and Rangpo area especially. And he is our mentor, our guide. He told me, ki, Kuldeep, you develop a mechanism where poor students can get maximum advantage of the scholarships. You design that kind of scholarship. And the needy people, they should not be left behind due to financial crisis. And I'm thankful to sir that idea, we developed the model, we checked the credentials of the students. Although, Lordship, we have different scholarship schemes, you know, already for defense personnel, for COI holders, and for in different categories, Chancellor Scholarship. But that was a flat model. Till I got your advice and suggestion, we couldn't go through that model that we need to check credential of everyone. They may be hesitating, they may not speak to the university that they are not capable. But it was our responsibility as a higher education institution to do that. So recently, Honorable Chief Justice sir informed me about one student from West Sikkim who needed support from the university. And our university team immediately acted on that last month only. And students, you live your life in the campus. I'll suggest you to participate in all sports activities, games. Be a leader. Develop your qualities as a leader. Make India the third largest economy in the world. You are the future of this country. You'll have to do that. From the 5th position, we'll go to 3rd position in next few years with the young minds like you. And Medhavi will contribute in that. Thank you so much. But I only got 10 minutes, Lordship. So I'll ask your permission to conclude my words. But till I convey my sincere gratitude to my hardworking team, it will not be complete. And believe me, Medhavi has the best team in the world. And with such a robust team, with such a determined team, will be an international name in the next few years. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.